Sanya this side. Me and my husband had got tested positive on the 24th of March. The initial symptoms was fever. He had it first, and on the second day I got fever, which was about 102. And then immediately we got ourselves tested, post which we consulted the doctor who was in our society, and we started our medication. The initial troubles that we had or difficulties that we had was that we have a 3.5-year-old daughter, and we didn't get her tested initially, and it was assumed that of course that she might have contracted it from us as well. And all we did, it's very difficult to really separate a 3.5-year-old when you're staying in a nuclear family because there's nobody else in the house. And we have a pet also. We have a dog who's not yet 1 year old. He's a puppy. And then we started getting other symptoms like body ache, fatigue, throat ache. The main thing that we kept ourselves, it was very, very important for ourselves to keep one calm and don't stress about it. It is very, very important. Your mental health is very, very important. That is going to be your support to recover from COVID, and that is what we did. We stayed calm. We took enough rest. We had a lot of fluids. For the food, of course, because there was nobody else to help out in the house. I have my sisters around, so they helped out on a few days when they could get us food. Otherwise, we were managing our breakfast on our own, and we put a tiffin system, which is very, very helpful in today's time when you contract COVID. So that was there for us in terms of lunch and dinner. We kept on talking to everybody around, of course, our immediate family. And at times, even if you don't feel like talking to anybody, it's just fine. It is all right to reject a call. It's all right to not talk to someone on few dates. It's a phase. It will get over. We have overcome it. We have recovered out of it. And we hope everyone will be able to do so. Thank you so much.